How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Second video I'm making in the day because the first one was just a bit long-winded. So essentially, what's just happened with Bitcoin, and I'll get these out of the way. Right, we have wicked through the strong support of 34,258, but we wick straight back above. So very positive, very positive. And from there we've retested and moved on. So that's really good. That's the first good thing I've had to say about Bitcoin probably in a week. So it's really tremendous to see that although we've wicked there, we've retested and we've moved higher. So that's something to really hold on to for now in the short term. Sadly, we have wicked up to the Ishimoku and been rejected. We haven't even made it into and fallen out of. We just came to it. It was like the force filter up, not having it, you're not coming in today. So what to look for now will be essentially a pattern where we follow suit with the cloud, hopefully move into it, staircase upwards, come out, retest and move higher. That's with all things pointing well. So it could be a pattern like this. Essentially, guys, the previous predictions are still on the table, and I'll explain why in a second. So this is something that would be, you know what, these point too low, so I'm just going to redraw. So what to look for now would be a little move like this, hopefully wicking into the cloud, retesting the low of it, have a little play at the high, and then from there I expect one of two things to happen, and I expect that the blue line is what we're going to do until Tuesday. And what I expect to happen on Tuesday is the news will come out on what's happening with inflation, and I think that when that occurs, we're either going to have a really big wick to the downside, which will confirm us into a bear market. I mean, personally, I believe we've been in the bear market since late November, but it's just that this could be the final nail in the coffin of confirmation, if you will, and that we will essentially be spending a few months within the sub 30 to sub 30 area, and I'll look at possible projections of where we could go if we are confirmed in a bear market or continuing within a bear market. But if we have good news on Tuesday, I think we will essentially wick back to retest one last time around the 34 area, similarly to what we've just done here, and move higher. So this has been really bullish for Bitcoin to see that although we did wick below the significant threshold of 34,258, we came straight back up, and we've come back down about 6 hours later, retested, went no, don't want to be that low, and we began moving higher. So it's good. I mean, it's not good that the price has literally halved since the all-time high, but again, Bitcoin is quite well known for between mid 40s and mid 50% retracement following all-time highs. So yeah, I mean, could we have expected this? Should we have been prepared for it? I'm sure some people were, but it's just no one likes to see it when it happens. That's the thing. And as the price has been at an all-time high and such a significant number, to see it slash in half is brutal. But we are where we are, and we have some bullish movement here. Very unfortunate that we've been rejected by the cloud. So I do expect this sort of pattern to hold. And then, like I say, come Tuesday, bad news regarding inflation and some other matters ongoing. We're going to have a wick down realistically to 30 and possibly beyond, but I'll review that when the time arises. And if it's good news, I expect one final retest of the 34 area, and then boom, we should be away and out of this channel by the end of next week. So yeah, this is going to be a really interesting time, I think, for all of crypto, not just Bitcoin, to see what happens over the next few days, and whether it's win or lose, whether it's significant gains or losses. I hope that you're all doing what's right for you and for your portfolio, and it's I think it's actually a really good time for everyone who is in crypto to be in it now, because this is historical. This is going to be historical moments where we find out where this is going to go, and I think we'll look back and talk about 2022 in the same way that people have talked about the gains that we've had over the last 4 years plus. So it's, like I say, it's a special time to be in crypto. I just hope it's special for the right reasons. All right, best of luck, everyone. See you on the next one.